Hey y'all, have you ever been to the car wash and it just breaks your mirror off, or the glass on your mirror? I don't know if you can see that. This glass is pretty banged up, or you come out and it looks like that. Anything like that. You come out of the grocery store and you find out that somebody knocked your mirror off. Don't panic, okay? So I'm going to show you on this 2009 Ford Escape. There's lots of videos out there on how to replace this mirror, and they usually involve taking off the door panel. On the 2008 to 2012 Ford Escape, I'm going to show you how to do it really easily in just a few minutes without taking the door panel off. Okay, to do this, you got to pull this little box off right here, because you got to get to a couple of screws back behind there. And guys, if you don't already have a set of these, it comes in a set of 4. I'll put a link down in the description on where to get these. Stop using the flathead screwdrivers. You're just tearing up your plastic. Get you a set of these. It comes in a set of 4 for from Harbor Freight for like $7 or $9, something like that. Anyway, I'll put a link in the description where to get those. But all you got to do is, first you have to remove this little box, and there's 2 clips, and that's it. Now you see one of these clips stayed in here, so you got to get the little screwdriver or something to pull that out. Okay, your next step is you got to remove these 3 screws right here, these 3 bolts. There's 3 of them, and you have to unplug the wiring harness. When you order your mirrors, make sure that you check your plug first. Don't order a mirror with electric mirrors and heated mirrors if you don't even have that option built into your car, because the wiring harness may not fit. Alright, so I'm going to try to make this video as generic as possible, but again, this is on a 2009 Ford Escape, and to do this you need a 10 millimeter wrench. Okay, you want to start off with taking this bolt out, and then you're going to loosen this one, and then you're going to remove this one. But the first thing that you want to do is you want to take out your wiring harness. And it's really easy to do. Sometimes it helps if you got a little screwdriver to help get you in there, but you can just leave that dangling around. After you have this screw out, it looks like this, and the washer on there will not come off. Okay, I want to point that out. It won't come off. And so next you want to go to this top one, and you want to loosen it a couple of turns so that you can unscrew it with your finger, but don't take it out all the way yet. Right now is when you want to take your wrench, and you're going to take out this bottom one right here, and hold your finger up against it while you do it in case it falls. Now, if you do this right, and you don't let it slip out, and you don't let it fall down to the bottom of your door, then you don't have to take your door panel off. And I'm not going to show you how to take your door panel off. I mean, I'm not going to take mine off, but I'll show you how to do it. But there are several videos out there on the internet about how to take off the door panel on this particular car. Of course, it may be a little bit different from yours, but again, if you do have to take off your door panel, this is why you need those yellow nylon trim pry tools. Again, do not use a flathead screwdriver. Come on, people. All right, so we got that one out. Okay, next you want to reach around either way that you need to. Hold it out here on the outside while you undo this one with your hand, and that's why you loosen this screw a couple of turns until it's loose, so that you can do it with your hand, and then you just pull it off, and there you go. Okay, so these replacement mirrors, I got this on Amazon, and for this car, this mirror cost $33. That's it, 33 bucks. It is a power mirror. It has a little motor in it, and these are not heated mirrors, so I don't have to worry about that. but they are power mirrors and they work perfectly. And again, they're, you know, $33 for my car. It might be a little bit more for yours, but if you shop around on Amazon, you can replace these yourself. You don't have to take it to the dealer. You don't have to spend 600 bucks. Just do it yourself. So putting your new mirror on is the same way as you took it off. Insert the mirror, hold it with one hand, then take one of your screws and put it in this top one, and then just tighten it down with, you know, finger tight. You don't have to tighten it down with your wrench yet, but I wouldn't tighten all of these up yet until you have all your screws in case you need to, you know, wiggle it around. Go ahead and put in your other screws. Again, just finger tight. Okay, and then comes the one down here. Again, on this car, it's kind of hard to get to, so take your time. Use two hands if you need to, but as long as you don't drop the screw and let it fall all the way down to the bottom of the door panel, then you don't have to take the door panel off. There's really no need to. Alright, I got a couple of threads started and I'm going to tighten it down finger tight. Then I'm going to tighten it down with my 10 millimeter wrench. Alright. Now you want these to be snug, but you don't have to kill it, because again, these aren't being threaded into the plastic piece, they're being threaded into something that kind of looks like a riv nut. It's molded into the plastic, but still you don't want to stress it so hard that you pull it all the way out. Just snug. Alright, so once you got it in, look on the outside and make sure that you've got your mirror flush all the way around. Okay? Once you've got it flush, all you do is you push your wiring harness back in, then you put your trim piece back on. This is really easy. There you go. Now, I just replaced this mirror for $33, free shipping from Amazon. The dealership probably would charge you, I don't know, $300 for the mirror, maybe 1 hour labor to put it in. So you're looking at about $400, $450, something like that. Or you can do it yourself for as cheap as you can get the mirrors for on Amazon. So thanks for watching. Please comment, subscribe. Let me know if you've got any ideas that you want to do, and I'll see if I can work on those. But so this is Jason with Jason Fix It, and you can too. Have a great day.